Poor unfortunate soul, it looks like you need a tutorial from the most magnificent and beautiful sea witch. Let's get into it. Sea witches only have the most fierce eyebrows, so cover anything that isn't that. Paint yourself with the most beautiful lilac gray color. I mixed this perfect shade with different specimens. Carve out a very large eye shape. We need our enemies to know we're coming. Sure to be packing in those shadows nice and bright. The blackest black that you can find in the sea. Paint on the most perfect brows for a sea witch. Next, we'll be contouring to the gods. Or, well, me. Did I say that? Don't forget to paint your magical shell because we have voices to collect. Next, you'll be popping on some extra thick and dramatic lashes. Also, don't forget the highlight. I want to be able to see you from a mile away. Can't forget the bright red lipstick. This one is made from blood of my enemies. Apply your perfectly fierce polar bear hair wig. Now you're looking like the fiercest sea witch in all the sea. Now go out there and capture all the voices you can find. Make me proud.